Hey everybody, I am back and just in time for the public release of CLICKUP 2.0. So let's see why I've been so excited about 2.0, what you can do now with it, and why this is such a big thing for you, your SOPs, your workflows, and just getting done way more efficient. We are digging into CLICKUP 2.0 today. If you are here to get efficiency tips, get more productive, automate things, and streamline your workflows, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and click the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get right into and go look at CLICKUP 2.0. I had the honor to be playing around with it for a while now. So let's give you a jump start, show you why I'm so excited about CLICKUP 2.0, what's different and why it makes your life even more easier now than it already has before. So let's head on over to my screen and let's show you around. So this right here is one of my boards in CLICKUP 2.0. As you can see, all of the spaces and lists have moved to the left-hand side, which has given us way more room right here on the screen. Now, one of the most favorite new features on CLICKUP 2.0 for me is those little gizmos right here, but we'll get to that in just a second. As you know from before, we have the regular list view, we have the box view, we have the calendar view. We know all of these, but now it gets really fancy. We can have additional views like the box view, conversation view, doc view, and embed view. And those are major points to make CLICKUP your interactive SOP. And if you don't know what I mean by interactive SOP, meaning just think of an employee handbook. The moment you print it out, the moment it's on a piece of paper, it's already outdated. It's not interactive. It doesn't grow with you or the company. Updating it is a pain. So let's see how CLICKUP makes this interactive for you and way easier to use. So for example, if we look into calls, we are working in the agency on content for call, and that is one of the best examples how you can use those. So we used to have a status for collecting all kinds of things that need to get done, ideas, all those kind of things. Now, what we have done in 2.0, we added that doc view right here, which then opens up as a document view in CLICKUP. This is not Google Drive documents. These are documents straight up in CLICKUP that we collect with the blog post ideas. We can leave some notes in there, comments, whatever it is. That's how we started collecting ideas now. The secondary view is the embed view you've seen over here. And we use that for our social media collaboration and getting things done. If you have seen in one of my last videos, we use Airtable to collaborate, to get the posts done, to just do the whole development of things and coming up with the ideas and writing the posts. That's where the actual work happens. Now, we don't have to go over to Airtable anymore. It's right with the client. The right base is connected in CLICKUP and in the job. And it's just there. I can copy and paste right out of here. I can attach it to a task. Amazing. Now, the other thing that I love in CLICKUP 2.0, let's jump in here and set it up new, is the box view. Now, the box view, and you see there is barely anything in here because this is one of my own lists that I'm working on right now and that I'm rebuilding. Now, let's show you what that actually means when it's not that empty. Let's jump back to call, because we have the box view right there. And that is your team tracking. What tasks are unassigned? Which ones are done? Which ones are not done? Based on the team member, you can check the workload and all those kinds of things. And I know there is more coming in that view too. So I'm really excited about that, to get an overview of what's happening, which tasks are done, which ones are not. A numbers girl like me, this is like heaven. Now, one last thing that I wanted to make sure you know is all of these are possible in space level, folder level, and task list level. So you can put those right in here on the space level. You can attach those to a client. So that is right the level where that interactive SOP comes in. If you have your ClickUp set up that every folder is a client and all of their services and tasks and stuff is right underneath in task lists, you can go to the client and you can, for example, use the document to collect information, to collect notes, whatever you want to do, logins for that matter. I prefer using LastPass. But you can put additional information that your team members need for that specific client right in there without any trouble having to go anywhere or whatsoever. The same with conversations. Yes, that could potentially mean you can give up on Slack. You can have conversations in here on space level, on folder level, on task level, bringing people in, not bringing people in, all of those kind of things that we're going to be digging into deeper on a later time when I really dig into those features. But all of this means this becomes your business hub. This becomes your repository where all of your information is housed, where you can embed other tools to not have to click around and spend hours jumping in between tools. With the 2.0 update, ClickUp has become the solution to build interactive standard operating procedures. We've already done that with clients on 1.0, but now with 2.0, this makes it even easier. So if you have ClickUp, comment below. Have you gotten 2.0 yet? And how excited are you about it? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Look in the comment section below. I got a little deal for you if you are considering upgrading ClickUp to the paid program. And I'll see you again next week. Stay tuned, as there's a lot more ClickUp how-to videos coming right here on my channel. I'll see you soon.